Hi, I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Today we're going to talk about how to make a non-alcoholic daiquiri. Let's start with some frozen limeade concentrate and then some lemon lime soda. And we want to use about 1/4 of a fresh banana. And this banana will just add a nice sweetness and richness that kind of counterbalances the acid in the limeade. Just give that a little bit of a rough chop. And then finally we want to add our ice. You always want to add ice last with any frozen drink. That way it won't get bound up in the propeller at the bottom of your blender. And we're just going to crank this up for a minute or two just to crush the ice. That's all there is to it. I like to use just a little wedge of lemon as a garnish. It's light, it's refreshing. You've got the tartness of the limeade, but you've got the sweetness and the richness of the banana. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Thank you for watching our recipe for a non-alcoholic daiquiri.